Welcome. This is how to fix SteelSeries headset mic that is not working in Windows. So guys, first thing is make sure to go to your start menu over here down below. So from here, you will have two options. You will have microphone over here and you have sound. So for the microphone, you could just simply click on it, and after that, make sure you have microphone access turned on. And if you are using a specific apps, you should be able to turn it on over here. Now, another one is make sure you have the correct input device. So go to the speaker icon over here, and you should be able to see this icon. Select a sound output, and from here, make sure to select your headphones, as you can see over here, and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, guys, if it doesn't work, another option is go search for device manager. And from here, you should be able to see at the very top audio inputs and outputs. You should be able to have a microphone or headphones, and just make sure to right click on them and make sure to update the driver. And mostly, this fixes the issue. There you go. See ya.